Welcome to No Fear Cooking. This is Magda, and I'm going to start a wonderful supper for our family tonight, and I thought I'm going to share leftover chicken. It's always great for a wonderful casserole, and few ingredients. Again, if you have everything ready, this to put together takes faster than your oven is going to pre-warm. 350, and then let's start having fun. It's a wonderful recipe. I always cook extra chicken just so I have for different leftovers, like a chicken salad, like a casserole today, many things. For this casserole, we are going to start first with 2 tablespoons of butter. And in that one, and we're going to put all the ingredients. They will be all nice in your paper. Medium to medium high on the stove. And again, we'll take a minute to warm up. I pre-warm a little bit my pan today so it will go a little bit faster. And I'm going to brown the rice for only 2 minutes. This what it's going to do is going to keep the rice each one a little bit more separately, and you'll see it when it's all done. I'm going to put it in and will be 2 minutes.
Mom, how much rice is that?
Oh, 1 cup of rice. If you feel like putting a little bit more, then you have to change the recipe, but 1 cup. And look how nice it's already getting each one separate to brown the rice separately. Oh, this butter is going to be a little bit stubborn here. Yeah, 1 cup of rice, and then the rest is going to go in one by one till we get together our wonderful casserole. So I'm going to look at the time for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to shred the only one thing I have to yet shred is pepper. So I have a leftover red pepper. I'm going to use this. I have 1 yellow also left over, but I'm going to use the red since it's going to be I like red color, and it's also very tasty. I have the onions ready. Today I bought some Vidalia onions. It's so sweet and good that it's just amazing. So I'm going to use that also. About 1/4 I cut here already, and I'm ready. 2 minutes are by, and I'm ready to put in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce is a delicious flavor to a lot of good foods. Oh, look at that. It already smells very good. It's a strong smell when you put it in this big dish. But it's perfect. Oops, I made a mess. And now I'm ready to throw in other ingredients. About 6 ounces of fresh mushrooms, if you have them. If you have them fresh, I prefer that. But if you do not have them fresh, I love the ones in the can. It's about 6 ounces. Use that or the fresh one. Today I'm using the fresh. About 1/4 of a onion that it's already sliced by a little bit earlier. I'm putting this back in here. I'm going to give a stir. This is no time to put a casserole together for the family for tonight. Actually, I prefer leftover on chicken, so I can use it quick like this. And now, I'm going to show you 2 carrots, and you can cut them just small pieces. Nathaniel, thank you for cutting them. He was my sous chef today earlier, so he cut the carrots. Thank you.
That's a pretty good slice right there.
You did perfect, yes.
It's like an expert slice.
Expert, I like that. Thank you, Nathaniel. So we are going to saute this just a little bit together till I have the next step in, which will be the pepper. And on the pepper, I'm going to use the bread knife because it's a little bit easier to go on the slices. Pepper is not that easy sometimes to cut.
This is like when I did the, what was it? the Italian one with the tomatoes.
Yeah,
where you
the
cut from the
bruschetta.
inside. It's like
Tomato
the bruschetta.
yes.
It's like where you cut it from the inside instead of from the outside, the skin.
Very good, Nathaniel. Thank you for helping with that. That's a good, yeah. And you can cut them as thin, as big as you like to. Some people like them a little bit bigger, some very thin. And this is the last thing I have to chop, actually. And again, everything is getting together so in a yummy dish. We'll call it chicken yummy yummy. Chicken yummy yummy. Okay, this is all good. I'm just going to keep it in till I'm assembling this lovely dish. Don't have to cook it in here. It's on medium. And the next thing we have to do, I'm going to put a little bit of pepper. Let's not forget the pepper, right? A teaspoon of pepper. If you add more, it's okay, or less. And a teaspoon of salt we need. Just one. And then I'll give it a nice swoosh around. Another good ingredient is going to be cream of celery. And that is a whole can, a smaller can, not a big one. And now we're just going to let it bubble at just one time. And then everything will be ready for the oven. Let me see, what else do I have to do here?
Water.
Water, thank you, Nathaniel. I was asking Nathaniel earlier to remind me if I forget something. So thank you for reminding me, Nathaniel. The rice looks good. I don't know if you can see it. From the Worcester shots, it's a little bit a nice color. The smell is good. And now I'm going to add the water. Yes, 1 cup of water, or you can measure in your, it's a little bit less than a whole can. Ooh, goes in. And the start of this dish, again, the start of this dish is the chicken. I'm going to leave this to bubble, and then it's going to get ready to go in a casserole for the oven, a proof casserole for the oven. My oven is 350 already, and it's going to go in for 1 hour.
45 minutes.
45 minutes, thank you, Nathaniel.
Or until all the liquid has absorbed.
I was wondering if you pay attention.
You were close, Mom. You almost got it.
I was paying attention.
Oh, it was a test. It was a test. I
exactly.
passed.
Yes, you passed.
I
Remember,
passed.
I always say the practice in life, especially in the kitchen, is much easier after you do a little bit. So, is that easy or what? Is this fun supper? It's all done in one dish here. So, it's bubbly. Nathaniel, you can come closer. See it one more time. And I'm going to add the chicken. This is bubbly, and then it's going to go in the oven. 2 cups of chicken. Always nice to have leftover chicken. But this is an evening dish that will be very fulfilled for the family. Not that expensive. And little ones can help you definitely. It's a fun dish. I'm going to stop my pan right now, and I'm going to put everything in the big pan. Let's see. Can I move things here? The mushrooms are good. I'm going to unplug mine. All right. And everything is going in. You know what? I'm going to put just a little bit butter on the bottom. It's not easy to, but just in case. Good job. All done. I think I have to turn it around the other way. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for taking time to watch our new dishes that we present, and they're fun and good. This is perfect. It's going in the oven for 45 minutes, and we are coming back once we have it out, okay? Smells very good. All right, opening the oven and goes in. 45 minutes on cover. See you in 45 minutes. Hello, Babbitt, what is in here? I have the casserole out. The chicken, yummy, yummy, it's delicious. You can see all the water and the juices are absorbed in the rice. I did take a small bite on the side to feel the rice is good and it's perfect. I'm going to try it. I'm giving a little taste. It's very hot, so be careful when you're going to take out a little portion to try it. I'm going to put some in here. Oh, pepper smells good. The Worcestershire sauce, even just 1 tablespoon. I wish you can smell it and be here. It looks very good. Perfect. Look at the chicken, how nice it stays. Look at the pretty rice here on the bottom, Nathan. Didn't get all together. What would you
Clumpy.
say?
It didn't get clumpy.
Yes, yeah, it's not clumpy and it's perfect. So the family will be very happy with your supper. I did have a little salad ready. I'm just going to put a little bit dressing. This is one of our favorite dressing and it's ready. I'm going to take a taste. You have to taste your food, at least to see salt and pepper, because the other things you cannot add. Look at pretty rice there. Smells very good. The mushrooms got perfect. The rice. All the flavors are married together. They taste good. If you like to add a little bit more salt, I did just 1 tablespoon, but you can add more. Perfect. Another good recipe that our family loves. And till next time, I'll say manja manja, pofta buna, and write us, leave us a note, and thank you for taking time to watch us. Nice spring for you. I'm going to show you one more time these beautiful peonies, and see you. Bye-bye.